Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage members on Slack. So this is going to be particularly useful in case maybe you want to remove someone or see someone's details or basically have an overview list of which members are part of your Slack channel. So this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. And let's get started. So first what we're going to do is go onto our Slack channel. So here I have a demo Slack channel. Right now there's not a lot of members in it. We only have 2. But how do you actually manage all those members? Meaning just 2 members. What you're going to do is that on the upper right hand side, you're going to find the name of your space and then go ahead and click on that. Now, once you reach this page here, you're going to click on Preferences next. You're going to highlight the Tools and Settings drop down menu, and then you're going to go down to where it says Manage Members. So go ahead and click on Manage Members. And afterwards, it should take you to a web browser page that looks like this here. So as you can see, the title of this page is Manage Members, and here you can see the full name of all your members on your Slack account. So with that, there's a lot of things that you can do here. You can see their billing statuses, expiration dates, the date that they joined, the account types, etc. So for this one here, the account type BaileyGoat is an invited member, which means that they haven't yet accepted the invite to Slack. So this is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and manage members. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.